Ready to make Siri not just helpful, but visually captivating on iOS 18. First, let's jump right into the Settings app. Give it a tap. Now scroll down until you find Siri and Search. This is where the magic happens. Tap it to continue. Next, we're looking for Siri Responses. Tap here, and you'll see options for customizing how Siri communicates. Okay, here's the good stuff. Under Visual Feedback, you should see an option to enable animated Siri. If it's off, toggle it on. This activates the new Siri animation feature. Now that Siri animation is enabled, you will be shown the different animations available, from colorful waveforms to geometric shapes and everything else in between. Play around and discover the one you like most. Now test it out. Activate Siri with your voice or by pressing the side button, and you should see the new animation responding to your voice, and that's all there is to it. Enjoy your personalized Siri experience on iOS 18. Be sure to subscribe for more iOS 18 tips and hit that notification bell. If you enjoyed this video,